Sadly, buildings have to go, and we have to tear them down and make way for progress.
We got our money's worth. Let's think about it. It started out as a jail and ultimately became the public works and community development facility. You just can't keep them all. That one's in the books, but it served us well, and but it's time to move on.
We know that the investments into this facility and into this team, have a major impact in the everyday lives in the long term.
Frankly, there was no more room to add on to that old building F. We were out of room, and we need more space. We are growing, and it does require more employees to provide the services that are required statutorily and for the public. They demand that we do these services, and we have to provide it. So we had just outgrown that space, and there was no other way to expand it.
Pinal County is growing, and I'm glad to see things happen in District 1. My focus is on bringing economic development to District 1, and this is part of it. We are recognizing that the county is growing. We're bringing businesses and new homes and opportunities to Pinal County District 1, and this building will help to support these efforts.
If you follow the economics of today, we built this at the perfect time before materials have skyrocketed. So I watch that closely all the time, and so we're very fortunate to have been able to move on this when we did. We work for the people, and they shouldn't have to drive 80 or 90 miles to get to a facility to either get information or even pay their taxes or whatever. So all of these facilities are going to benefit the rural area of Pinal County because we are so spread out. So I think it's a fantastic thing. I believe in taking government to the people and having it accessible, and so I think we've done the right thing.